Pakinggan po natin ang naging talumpati or mensahe ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. sa graduation ceremony ng PMMA. Mahalaga ito ngayong class 2026. Philippine Maritime, mahalaga ito.
Years ago, a small nautical school opened its doors inside Intramuros. That school would move from street to street, changing its name again and again until it would later be known as the Philippine Merchant Marine Academy. Like a lighthouse in the middle of a storm, the PMMA has stood for generations, guiding young Filipinos towards the sea and back home. They carried with them a light that proved their sense of duty to our motherland. Today, that same light is entrusted to you. You have chosen to call yourself Salighirap. Salig in Cebuano means trust and conveys sa gisag ng liwanag, a guiding light much like a lighthouse leading ships safely to shore. Hirap in Filipino means chosen or destined, with the deeper meaning of haliging huwaran, a role model for future midshipmen. Salighirap, what a beautiful and poetic word to name yourselves. Together, you have identified yourselves as both the light that guides ships home and the pillar that your fellow Filipinos can rely on. Today, 327 of you begin your new voyage. You will serve in different organizations and carry out different missions. Yet wherever your journey takes you, you will uphold the proud reputation of a Filipino seafarer. We also recognize our 21 graduates from the PMMA Graduate School. You prove that the world never stops teaching us lessons, even after we fulfill many journeys at sea. Congratulations to all of you. To our dear graduates, you will soon join thousands of Filipino seafarers, the most trusted mariners in the world, bringing pride to our nation. You are respected because you consistently show competence, professionalism, dedication. More importantly, you have earned the trust of the international community. But this reputation is not permanent. It must be earned by every generation. Not too long ago, our maritime education and certification standards came under serious challenge. The livelihoods of roughly 50,000 Filipino seafarers serving on the European Union registered vessels were placed at risk. We could not allow the future of our Filipino seafarers to be placed in such a situation. And that is why your government acted immediately. We strengthened maritime education and training, improved certification systems, upgraded facilities and equipment, and worked closely with our international partners to ensure that Philippine standards continue to meet global expectations. Through these efforts, we will continue to safeguard the global employability of Filipino seafarers. At the same time, we will uphold the highest international standards in our maritime education, training, and certification system. But the government's duty does not end with standards and employability. Many of our seafarers continue to travel through uncertain waters, including the areas affected by conflict, especially now in the Middle East. In this difficult situation, your safety and welfare remains our priority. Your government will always be within reach, ready to help. Today, the diploma you receive carries with it the confidence of an industry that recognizes the excellence of Filipino seafarers. Kaya sa inyo, sa ating mga nagtapos, kayo ang ilaw na susundan ng iba. Wherever the sea takes you, wherever you serve, under the Navy's flag, guard our shores, or fly our colors as merchant marine officers, never forget to bring that light with you. Carry yourselves with competence, lead with humility, and serve with integrity. As you sail across the globe, know that you have with you the hopes of your families, the lessons imparted by the Academy, and the support of a nation that believes in you. Once again, congratulations. Fair.
Ayun. Galing, oh. Mabuhay ang mga seafarers, mga marino. Isang mga Philippine Marine. Maritime, ano ho? Yan ho yung mga bayaning mga nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa at nagiging huwaran po, nagtatapos dyan sa tinatawagan nating PMMA. Ayan po. Na halos kalahating milyon yata yung mga seafarers ngayon. At maganda ang record na ipapakita sa international community. Dahil basta mga seafarers na sumakay ng mga barko ng international ay maganda ang record. At yung mga graduate yan ay malayo ang nararating. At pinapahalagahan yan ng ating Pangulo. Dahil pasintabi na po, pag sinabing mga seafarers, sumasakay ng mga barko, mga nagtapos ng pag-aaral ang karamihan dyan, iba ang kanilang trabaho, iba yung income nila, malaki ang kanilang sweldo, at malaking ang kanilang naitutulong sa ekonomiya ng bansa. Yung remittance nila. Iba po ang level na pagdating sa sweldo, pasintabi na ng mga manggagawang nasa baylan, base labor group, kaysa sa yung mga seafarers. Yan po yung medyo malaking pagkakaiba. Ganun pa man, parte pa rin sila ng mga Pilipino nagtatrabaho sa abroad. Pero dahil ang shipping company, isang malaking business. At yung kanilang mga ginagawang paglalakbay sa kung saan lugar sa buong mundo, especially sa mga nabanggit niya ng Pangulong, minsan may mga conflict, may mga problema, tulad sa Middle East, nakataya din ang buhay nila. Pero malaki po ang tulong sa magandang buhay ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino, na kailang pamilya, at malaking tulong sa ekonomiya ng bansa. At karangalan, yun ang isang mahalaga. Dahil iba ang kalidad, quality ng mga seafarers na Pilipino. Kaya ko alam yan dahil ako yun nung araw marami yung nakakausap ng mga seafarers, iba talaga ang dating. Okay? At yan, pinapahalagahan ng Pangulo ang inyong katapatan at ang kanilang trabaho at pag-aaral para malayo ang marating at may magandang kinabukasan. Ayun po yun. Congratulations po sa inyo. Mabuhay. Yung mga estudyante pa lang, nagpaplano pa lang, at yung iba may nasa biyahe na, ay para po sa inyo yan. Minsahin yan ng Pangulo. Mataas na respeto, pagkilala, at pagsuporta na rin ng pamahalaan. Yun ang ibig sabihin yan. Congratulations pa rin. Please like and share, subscribe and follow. Pakishare po ninyo mga pamilya ng mga marino, ng mga seafarers, para makarating sa inyong pamilya nasa abroad. Ninyong mga kaibigang ang pamilya rin ay nandito sa Pilipinas at nasa ibang bansa, pero ang kanilang pamilyang mahal sa buhay ay seafarer. Ayun, paki-forward po ninyo. Dito itong impormasyong makakatulong sa ating lahat.